Hey guys, in this video I found a really easy fix how we can basically solve the issue when your Roblox player from Microsoft Store do not open on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you just need to go on search, look for core isolation here, and then you need to make sure that memory integrity is on. If it's off, turn it on, and then turn it off here. And then what you need to do here is to restart your PC after you do so here. And after you restart your PC, then you just need to, as you can see here, go on Roblox Windows. And as you can see here, it should work for me. With this, I fixed my issue here and I hope it will work for you. So try this out and comment in the comment section if it worked for you or not. And if it did, just press like. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.